Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off Do Not Disturb permissions for our applications in Samsung Galaxy S22. So where to look for this option? We need to go to Settings, then we're looking for our Applications menu right here, and then three dots menu here and Special Access. And here we have Do Not Disturb permission. In here we can change a few things, but we want to turn off. And as you can see, we have short pop-up information. Deny Google Play services permission to override Do Not Disturb. So all Do Not Disturb rules involving this app will be deleted. Yes, please. This is what we wanted. And that's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.